Hi friends! Welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today I'm gonna be making McDonald's only in Japan chicken sandwich. One is chicken Tatsuta and Oyako Teriyaki sandwich. Japanese twist make the McDonald's sandwich so unique. Unfortunately, these are available only seasonally, so if you miss out, you have to make it by yourself. Let's get started. First, let's make chicken Tatsuta. Chicken Tatsuta is a traditional Japanese fried chicken seasoned with ginger and soy sauce. Shred cabbage with a thin blade knife or a peeler. This peeler is designed for shredded cabbage. Remove the skin from your chicken thigh. Cut into 3. Score the surface and prick all over the surface to make the chicken soft and easy to bite and make it season well. Transfer to a bowl, add grated ginger, sugar, sake, and soy sauce. Toss to season evenly. Cover directly with a plastic wrap and marinate for at least 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add beaten egg and mix well. Add potato starch and flour. Mix until evenly coated. Keep the rest of the egg for another use. Heat your oil up to 160 degrees Celsius and deep fry the chicken for about 6 to 7 minutes or until done. While deep frying, let's make a sauce for chicken Tatsuta. Mix 2 tablespoons of Japanese mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, half a teaspoon of yellow mustard. Mix well and set aside until used. My chicken Tatsuta looks very good. Take out onto a rack to release the excess oil. Let's assemble. Slice the bun into 2, put it in a steamer. This is a very unique way to heat up the bun. Steaming creates a unique texture, very soft and dense somehow. Apply 1 tablespoon of sauce, press shredded cabbage as much as you want, press the chicken and good to go. Next, we are making Oyako Teriyaki chicken sandwich. Let's make chicken cutlet first. Remove the skin from the chicken breast and cut into a chicken patty. It's about 90 to 100 grams per piece. Cut out the thickness to make it even. Score the surface and prick all over the meat to make it easy to bite. Watch my $3 Bento challenge video to check how to make the chicken cutlet in detail. Dust with flour and dip into a binding batter. Then coat with Panko breadcrumb. Deep fry until the surface is golden brown and cook through. While deep frying, let's make easy teriyaki sauce. Cook in the microwave for 1 minute at 800 watt. Take out and mix until sugar dissolves. Cook 30 more seconds and set aside until used. It looks good. Take out onto a wire rack. Now let's prepare the bun for the Oyako Teriyaki. Cook until the surface is crispy and warm up. Make sunny side up in another pan. Heat a small pan on medium. Place a ring mold if you have one. Grease the inside. Crack your egg and add a tablespoon of water. Cover with a lid and cook for 3 minutes or until to your liking. Let's assemble. Dip your chicken cutlet with a teriyaki sauce and press on a hamburger bun. Put your sunny side up on top and drizzle the Japanese mayonnaise. Press the lettuce leaves and there you have your Oyako Teriyaki chicken sandwich. The teriyaki sauce and mayonnaise are made in heaven combination. The sandwich are very heavy, which I like, and of course very satisfying. The both chicken is so flavorful and goes very well with the fluffy buns. Homemade foods always make us comfortable and happy. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Share the video with your friends and families. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tap the bell icon not to miss out my new videos. Go to my website for the printable recipe and follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. I wanna bring you a good recipes for your good eat and good health. Thanks again and I will see you in a week. Bye!